Imagine standing on a sun-kissed beach, the sound of waves crashing in the background, and a refreshing drink in hand. Sounds like a dream, right? But for many of us, that dream feels out of reach. What if I told you that with the right strategies, you could turn that dream vacation into a reality? Today we're diving into how to save for your dream vacation with a step-by-step budgeting guide. Buckle up, because the journey to your dream getaway starts right now. Let's face it, money is a source of stress for a lot of us. According to a recent study, over 60% of young adults feel overwhelmed by their financial situation. Fear of never being able to afford that dream vacation can hold you back from living life to the fullest. But what if you could break free from that fear? What if you could take control of your finances and plan that escape? Step 1. Set a clear vacation goal. What does your dream vacation look like? Is it a week in Bali, exploring ancient temples, or a cozy cabin in the mountains? Visualize it, write it down. Having a specific destination in mind not only fuels your excitement, but also helps you determine how much you need to save. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Next up, create a realistic budget. Start by assessing your income and expenses. Track where your money is going each month. It's shocking how those small expenses add up. Allocate a specific amount towards your vacation fund. Experts recommend saving at least 10 to 15% of your income for this purpose. Remember, every little bit counts. If you can skip that morning latte or those takeout dinners, you'll be one step closer to your dream getaway. Step 3. Open a dedicated vacation fund. This could be a separate savings account specifically for your trip. This way, you're less likely to dip into it for unplanned expenses. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit into this account every month. Out of sight, out of mind, and before you know it, you'll be watching your vacation fund grow. Point 4. Look for additional income sources. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to earn extra cash. Consider freelancing, pet sitting, or even selling items you no longer need. The thrill of watching your savings grow can be addictive, and those side hustles could fast-track your vacation fund. But let's be real, life happens. Unexpected expenses can throw a wrench in your plans. Here's where the magic of prioritization comes into play. What's more important, that new gadget or your dream vacation? By prioritizing your vacation fund, you're making a conscious choice to invest in experiences rather than things. Step 5. Find discounts and deals. Use travel apps, sign up for alerts, and keep an eye on flight deals. Flexibility can save you a ton of money. Traveling during off-peak seasons or flying mid-week can drastically reduce costs. Don't forget to use your rewards points or credit card perks if you have them. Those little hacks can make a big difference. Point 6. Create a travel itinerary with cost estimates. Planning your trip in detail not only builds excitement but also helps you budget accurately. Consider transportation, accommodations, meals, and activities. By estimating your costs, you'll avoid overspending and enjoy your trip without financial stress. Finally, stay motivated and reward yourself. Set small milestones and celebrate when you reach them. This keeps your spirits high and your eyes on the prize. Perhaps treat yourself to a nice dinner or a small outing as a reward for your hard work. Keeping the excitement alive will make the journey to your dream vacation just as enjoyable as the trip itself. So, are you ready to transform your dreams into reality? By setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, and staying motivated, your dream vacation is closer than you think. Now, before you go, I invite you to check out my video on the power of compounding. Understanding this concept can supercharge your savings journey. Click the link on the screen, and let's continue building your financial future together.